Alright, welcome to Techie Grandness series. Now we'll be explaining how to connect your domain to clickfunnel. So we'll be using GoDaddy for this. Now this is my GoDaddy. Click on the domain. So let's go back to our clickfunnel. Come right here, domains. Click on domains. Then you click on add new domain. Then since we are not buying our domain now from clickfunnel, and we have the domain before on GoDaddy, we click on use an existing domain. So this domain, you just have to copy it. Just copy and paste. Then you click on add domain. Then you come back here, go to manage DNS. So as you can see, it's still loading. You come now, you want to create a new CNAME. For instance, this is not there before, you just have to create it, but since it's there, I can delete it and create it again. So just click on add CNAME, host www, then point to target.clickfunnels.com. You can see that here. See, add a CNAME record that points www@target.clickfunnels.com. Then you create. I've seen it's there already. So I can still create another CNAME. Then I can still use my domain shysandra.com. and you click on save. So that's all. Then you go back to your ClickFunnel. I've done this step, so it's going to check in. Yeah, you can see it's ready for use. Then you have to associate your funnel. So which of your funnel do you want to use this domain for? And I want to use it for my money funnel. You click on money funnel, then associate funnel. You can see it's verified. You can still edit and set the error 404 page and other things. Yeah, the fourth page. Yeah, this is our first page, so that should be the home page. Then error 404 page as well, still the same. Error 404 page, still the same. So for instance, you want to delete this, you just come to the layer zone and you delete. So that's all. You can give it a few minutes to load, and we can test it right away if we go. But if you're in this, you give it a few minutes. You can see it has go, so you have to give it a few minutes. So that's all. Thank you.